Hey, what's going on, guys? Aaron here. Welcome to the video. So, is it safe to use a ledger, a Tangem? Can you use MetaMask and Phantom, or do we still have to wait? I want to share the official updates from their X accounts and let you guys know what they said. So the first one from Ledger saying that they are not and have not been at risk. These devices are built specifically to protect users against attacks like these. Only Ledger devices have secure screens powered by the Secure Element chip to ensure what you see on screen is exactly what you sign. Ledger devices support clear signing, enabling human-readable transaction details for verification. Remember, never blind sign and always verify addresses before you approve transactions. Your private keys and recovery phrase remain safe. And what they're talking about for Ledger, and this would apply to Trezor as well, where you actually have a little screen and it shows you on the device where the crypto is being sent. If you have those two devices, you definitely want to just make sure that the address you're sending crypto to is the correct address. Now with Tangem, it's different because they do not have that ability, but I'll get to what they said in just a second. So Blockstream, the Blockstream app does not use JavaScript or NPM. Therefore, they are unaffected. All good there. I shared that MetaMask is totally fine. They have layers of defense to protect our products and users. So yeah, different things they have going on to protect you there. So MetaMask said that there's no reason not to use them. Now, for me personally, I am still going to wait 24 to 48 hours, okay? I'm still going to wait a little bit. And here from Tangem, Tangem Wallet is completely safe and unaffected by today's supply chain attack. Read the full statement from our CTO. So let's take a look. Tangem Wallet is safe to use because it's native and doesn't rely on JavaScript packages. Wallet Connect is secured by blockade against malicious addresses. They have already confirmed that attacker addresses were blocked. We also switched off some third-party swaps that have not confirmed they were unaffected by this product to protect our users from any potential impact caused by providers. So that would be, again, third-party apps and websites and integrations and dApps, right? Essentially, Tangem says we shut off some of these integrations just to be safe. They will be re-enabled, though, once confirmation is received. And then take a look at Phantom. They said that Phantom is not at risk. We have confirmed Phantom does not use any vulnerable versions of the affected packages. We take a number of steps to guard against these types of attacks, like strict version pinning for all dependencies, preventing automatic updates to potentially compromised packages. Again, this is kind of technical stuff. Mandatory security reviews for all package upgrades before integration, multi-layer dependency scanning and vulnerability monitoring, isolated build environments with integrity verification. Alrighty, so they said they are all good, but I happened to scroll down and you never know with comments on Twitter X. Someone's like, I got drained, another one's like, my Phantom wallet got drained. My Phantom wallet got swiped this morning. But again, you just never know. There's a lot of people that are just saying stupid stuff that didn't actually get their money drained. Just to be safe, again, I am not doing any trades for the next 1 or 2 days. I'm just taking a little break. Let all the bugs get worked out if there are any. So I'm still sticking with that. So I would still recommend that. I think hardware wallets are much more safe, but Trust Wallet, Phantom, MetaMask, any other apps like that, or things on your phone or the computer, I would just still wait. And real quick before I head off, we can see today there's going to be a revision to the non-farm payrolls. Now, this is a big deal. Goldman Sachs estimates the revision could cut reported payrolls by around 500,000 to 950,000 jobs. Massive. If confirmed, it would mark the largest 12-month revision since 2010. So this big drop could do two things, or a few things. It could definitely push us into a recession. Now, long term, that could be a dip in equities and crypto. But like what we saw in 2020, there could be a big drop in Bitcoin and crypto, and then it becomes kind of like digital gold. It anchors into that narrative. So whatever happens, it's all good. But today when you're watching this could be a very, very rocky day, depending on what happens. But also, if we see bad jobs numbers, it would anchor in probably a larger rate cut, which again means that the economy is not doing well. Ultimately, that could be short-term bearish. We could see a lot of volatility if that happens, but over time, very, very bullish. So if you are going to be picking up some dips, which I think is a good idea, Personally, I like buying and trading on BTCC. They are a centralized exchange, so they were not affected by any of these or any of this JavaScript malware, right? So BTCC, Gemini, Coinbase, Kraken, Binance, they were all unaffected. They're offering a huge first-time deposit bonus and quite low trading fees. So if you are looking to buy the dips and you want to do so with lower trading fees, really, really great place to do that. I use them myself. Taking a look at the markets. So pretty boring day. Not much going on except a couple coins, some I had really never heard of, having massive days. Pudgy Penguin's up. I definitely own some of that. WorldCoin, that one where they scan your iris. I think I made a video about that like 2 years ago. That's doing well. So congrats to people who scanned their irises or who bought that coin. I think it's a Sam Altman OpenAI coin. But again, we are up for the day. For the week, we are definitely up because MYX is pulling the entire market. Over the month, we are generally down though. So guys, that is it for the video. I'll keep it short and sweet. Hope you guys are doing well. I'll keep you guys posted on what happens this week, everything in the economy, what's going on. Make sure to like and subscribe. Till next time, talk with you soon, and bye for now.